Hey, this will be a video chart on BGOI, Bonanza Oil and Gas Incorporated. Before I get started, please check my IRP disclaimer. Here's the chart on this one. We alerted this over the weekend as a trade idea, and in the morning it gapped way up here, and then we had the profit takers just hit it, and as you can see, the price dropped back down. But the good news and the good thing about the chart is it's still maintaining the key resistance, or excuse me, support levels that it needs to. So today's action was clearly just profit takers that were buying, during this move here. You can see the charts had lots of volume, including this big day here. So judging by the volume and the way it reacted from the gap, this was just simply people taking profits. But the stock showed a good sign of strength down here when it was able to bounce up from a key support area. So now it's just a matter of making sure we continue to go through a little healthy consolidation before what will hopefully be the next big move up. So with this video, I just want to go over some supports, resistances, and kind of outline what's going on from a charting perspective. First area I want to start off with is this right here, as being one of the nice little support levels that the chart has going for it now. This level is at 0.046, and you can see that today the price basically dropped down here and bounced right off it. So it's nice to see that this area is holding up very nicely as support and showing that this is kind of a nice little area where all the bulls are hanging out at. Now we also have another support area down here where we had this gap up here. Will it go down this low? I'm not sure, but if it does, this is another area of support. So this is kind of what we could call a support zone if you want. And that way we don't have to argue about specific prices, but more so just point towards kind of a zone of where prices would be. And technically from a chart perspective, and remember I'm talking about from a daily chart, not a day trader's point of view or anything like that, but the chart could come down here, kind of consolidate here, and then make a move back up, and the chart would still look fine. Now why is that okay? Well, remember the name of the game is high or low. So if we go back here, there's a low, there's a low, there's a low, there's a low. So let's say it drops down right here. Well, this low would still be up here, which is obviously higher than this one. So that would still be putting in the higher low, and then with the move upwards, we'd want to see it break above 0.07 and make a new high. Now, does the chart need to come down here? Does it need to come all the way down here and consolidate? No. I mean, it could ideally, it'd be best if we saw it just consolidate here before making a move back up. But even if it would drop down here, that would be fine. I mean, you got to remember we're still nicely above our moving averages. So it's not like we're trying to battle through moving averages. We have them below us, which means they're support. So if the price does pull back a little bit more tomorrow, just keep your eye on the supports, and hopefully we'll get a nice healthy consolidation before another push up. Because if you look at the chart, you can see it's been repeating itself quite a bit. We had a big move up here, consolidate, big move up here, consolidate, big move up here, consolidate, big move up, little miniature consolidation, and then a big move up here. So now we're going to hopefully consolidate again. As you can see, quite a few times with the history of the chart, this has happened. So that's part of the game. That's part of an uptrending stock. You don't want something that just goes straight up. It needs to get consolidation. So as long as the key support levels hold during consolidation, being this and this level here, then things are going to look fine and remain attractive from a charting perspective. So that is where the chart stands. Like I said, with a move up, our key resistance right now is just simply the high of today, which is right up here at 0.0705. And with a break of that, things could really start to take off again as resistances thin out. But one step at a time, let's just get a healthy consolidation under our belts, and we'll see what the rest of this week brings. But overall, just profit taking today. Let's see it kind of bounce around a little bit, and then hopefully shoot back up and break through this 7-cent level. Then we should be off and hopefully pushing towards new highs. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and best part is it's all free, so it's worth at least checking out and giving it a try. One more time, this was BGOI. Thanks for listening.